Okay, so almost there, only got prone to go. Right, so we're just going to look at the jump state. So we're going to set up a jump from standing and a jump from running, because the jump from standing obviously doesn't kind of move forward at the same time. What is a jump from standing is obviously straight up. This video is going to be that exciting all the way through. So what we're looking for, I think we're just looking for the running jump, which I've just called link jump to cause confusion. So naming conventions are always very important in a serious way, as in it's quite easy to lose track of what you're doing, certainly in a complex situation such as these blend states. Okay, so I'm just setting up the transitions between jog and jump. So I mean, realistically, I should have gone back and deleted out all the link and just either changed it to elf or just removed it. But it is quite important. Right, so I'll shut up. So jog to jump. You can jump if you're jogging if you've got the key pressed. So that's a fairly simple transition. So let's go back to jump to jog. Jump to jog. So I think here we are looking for remaining animation time. So I want to get the time remaining on the animation. So it's giving me the options of the animation because it's nice. So it takes the entire duration of the animation and then looks at the time you've got remaining. So I'm going to set up, it's going to read that value, and if the integer or the float, I should say, is less than 0.1, I've decided to put 1 just to confuse myself. If it's less than 0.1, then you can transition, and that means that we have enough time for the animation to play out before it transitions. So it's just letting the animation finish, basically. Making sure the jump animation is finished before transitioning to another state. 0.1, fixed it. Okay. Right, what's next on this roller coaster of fun? So, walk to jump, jump to walk. If I can just get that to work. Nope. Yes. Right, so what we're going to do first, let's eeny meeny, right, so yeah, it's walk to jump because that's the most exciting out of the two transitions. So I'm just, are we jumping? So walk to jump, are we jumping? If we are jumping, we can't transition. Is jumping is true. And speed is above 160 maybe. The values we previously set up for walk. I've wired it up in a confusing fashion, but yeah, so if speed is greater than 160 and is jumping is true, then transition. So I just got to do it the other way around. I've gone back to my incorrect graph. So what we're looking at here. So looking at jump to walk. So you want to be grounded, or you want to be not in the air or not jumping. So again, we're looking at getting the time remaining so it can play out the jump animation. So you can't be jogging. jogging does not equal true. Okay, mildly confusing. And if the time is less than 0.1, which is basically just simply to play out the last part of the animation. So is jogging does not equal true. You can enter the transition. Okay, heady stuff. So what's next in this thriller-thon? So let's have a look at the adding in the standing jump now. So doing this in hindsight, I'm not sure whether the standing jump animation is just a bit weird or there's something slightly amiss with the setup here. So you'll see what I mean when we run the actual animation moveset at the end. So let's go standing jump to idle. So it's jumping, yes. It's crouching, no. It's having fun. So if it's crouching does not equal, if is crouching does not equal false. Okay, so if is crouching does not equal true, so if we're not crouching and we are jumping, then we can go into the transition. Okay, one more to go. Okay. So, still time remaining. Yar. So is less than 0.1. Less than or equal to 0.1. Okay, so that's that. What fun!